Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to do dropshipping in Europe. I've been here in Europe for a while now, and I exclusively work with dropshipping. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process. Many people struggle when they come to Europe to do dropshipping because the market here is completely different from what we're used to in Brazil. There are different customs and tools that we need to include here, which we don't need in Brazil. It's not enough to just create a domain, it has to make sense for the European market. They teach you how to create a profitable dropshipping business in Europe, targeting customers who will actually buy from you, increasing your sales and expanding your reach. They have all the information on their website so you can check it out. Let me see if there's anything else here. They even offer personalized guidance, evaluating your specific needs and the way you plan to work. They help you identify profitable products, the ones that sell the most here in Europe. They provide reliable, high-quality suppliers and assistance in creating a professional and high-converting store, which is crucial. You need a store that will actually sell. The store needs to be adapted to the Europe market, with marketing strategies tailored to your needs and budget. To get started, you need to fill out the form below. But before you fill it out, let me show you the plans they offer. First, they have the basic plan, starting at 150 euros per month. This plan includes a ready-made store with limited stock, the language is in European Spanish, and they provide support via email, educational material, and a base of thousands of suppliers. You also get access to 10 winning products, which they will automatically include for you every month. You can also add more products on your own. They also have the intermediate plan, which includes a ready-made store with a logo developed by them, support via email and phone, access to educational resources, and 3 user accounts for managers. This plan costs 300 euros per month and also includes 20 winning products. Moving on to the elite plan, it includes everything from the previous plans, but with 7 manager accounts, advanced performance reports, personalized marketing and sales strategies, and 30 winning products. This plan costs 750 euros per month. If none of these plans make sense for you in terms of budget, there is another option. You can request a custom store. The initial cost is 58 euros, and the monthly fee is only 20 euros. This option allows you to start using their platform and familiarize yourself with it before deciding to upgrade to one of the other plans. To get started and register on their platform, you just need to click here and fill out your name, phone number, and email, then click Enviar, send. That's it. They will receive your information and contact you on WhatsApp. From there, you can discuss and choose the plan that suits you best. They also offer additional services such as creating the store for you. If none of the plans fit your needs, you can request a customized solution. I hope this information helps you. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll teach you how to add products and customize your store. Ready? They have already received the information here, and you will be directed to WhatsApp automatically when you fill it out. They will receive your data and will contact you. See that it automatically redirects to WhatsApp saying that it entered the Europe reseller. Obviously, all this is written in European Portuguese language. You can see that it is registered here. But anyway, it's very simple. Later I will make the next video teaching you how to register the products here, how to personalize the store. There are several other pieces of information here on this platform. There is something very practical that I use, including my stores are with this platform here in Europe. So many people ask me, how do you do it? Because I already started here on Clash of Fire, and I really can't afford the membership because it doesn't generate sales. It's also not useful because the key does something more generic. It is created to work worldwide. That is, it creates a structure to work in the United States, to work in Brazil, to work here in Europe. But each country has its own way of working, and that's why the Europe reseller comes first. It is dedicated, it comes with a ready structure, and it is more focused on Portuguese, not only Portuguese, but European Portuguese. It is more adapted for here. It already has integration with the platforms used here natively. That is, you don't need to pay anything else, it already has the platform. In addition to that, it has tools that allow you to integrate here so that the customer can make a purchase in your store today and receive it tomorrow. So it already has all of this natively, that is, you already have the platform, and everything is included like the pixel. It can track pixels excellently because currently, if you want this to be tracked correctly, you need to pay for a plugin separately. You always have to be paying for plugins separately. At least it costs $10 monthly in Shopify for each plugin. so you can track your sales even for Google Analytics. You have to pay for a plugin separately if you want to use Google. So all of this you avoid with the Europe reseller. Besides that, the checkout at the Shopify is also very long. Many people abandon it, stop buying because they get lazy, especially in English. So the checkout of the Europe reseller is also extremely optimized for you to make more sales here. So that's it. If you liked the video, leave your like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next videos. Best regards.